Hello, very good evening. It's a late evening, and today I'm in Delhi International Airport. Myself, Chhatradhari Mandal, and I'm the managing director of company International Training and Consulting Services, HSR Layout, Bangalore. It's a proud moment for us. Today, we are in the process of departure for our veterinary students for 2020 for the Kharkiv Zoo Veterinary College. We'll speak with both of our students, Mr. Kaustubh as well as Mr. Ashish, and we'll try to understand their views towards the selection of this university. We'll try to understand how they are satisfied with the services of ITCS. As we know, it's a pandemic time, but although we have managed all the tickets, visa, and today we're in the process of departure for the students. We'll talk more into this complete process. First, we'll start speaking with Mr. Kaustubh. Hello, Kaustubh.
Hello.
Very good evening. Kaustubh, you are basically from Maharashtra,
Yeah.
and you have planned to join this zoo veterinary for your veterinary educations and all. So, may I know like how you have found this ITCS first of all, and what's the motto behind joining this zoo veterinary educations and all?
Basically, I was interested in veterinary since childhood.
Okay.
I came to know about this university, Kharkiv State Zoo Veterinary University, through one of my colleagues, and I went to their website and found some contacts and just did some research.
Okay.
And I striked upon your page, ITCS Bangalore,
Okay.
and I found it very helpful. I just filled my details, mobile number and all, and just one of your
Our
executives,
Mr. Pranay.
Mr. Pranay sir, called me, and it went all smooth. He helped through all basic information and everything, and he was quite good at it.
Okay, okay. So, Kaustubh, one very important point, as you are interested towards the animal, you want to do some social works related to this field, and that's what you are selecting for this. But why you are choosing Ukraine? What's the behind? Like, why? What actually attracted you more to select the university towards the Ukraine?
First of all, the education system.
Okay.
Education system in Ukraine is more advanced than any compared to any other countries like India and all.
Yes, it's true.
It's very advanced there. Even after 100 years, India can't achieve that whole process of teaching.
We can't say like that, but yes, as per the today date, 100% the education system of Ukraine is very good, and it's a completely based on the Vologana concepts and all. So it's really helpful for that. Yes, one very important point. You are from Maharashtra, we are from Bangalore, but although you have decided to come with us, are you satisfied with our services and all?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied. Even during this pandemic situation and all chaos here and there, I felt ITCS executives. I would like to mention Mr. Pranay and you yourself, Mandal sir. I found very helpful, and they just given moral support, and they just clarified all the doubts my parents had. Basically, my father is an veterinarian.
Yes,
And
yes.
he is very keen, and he knows each and every nooks and loopholes in the
Yes,
system.
yes.
Even though he is satisfied, so everyone is satisfied.
Yeah, thank you. So we can understand what level of questionnaires you have made unto us and how we have answered. Finally, we connected you with our existing students, with their parents. We also connected with the university representative. After all the discussions, you have taken this decision. Yeah. So it's really very good for us that once any student is going after all the satisfactions and all, it's always satisfactory for us also. Yes, we'll speak with Mr. Ashish also. Hello Ashish, very good evening. So Ashish, आप वेटनरी के लिए जाना चाह रहे हैं, क्या बेसिक मोटो है आपका, क्यों आप वेटनरी डॉक्टर्स बनना चाहते हैं?
सर मेरे को क्या है, बचपन से अपना एनिमल्स पसंद है, एनिमल्स को ट्रीट करना पसंद है। तो क्या है, तो वेटरनरी सेक्टर मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है इसको।
और आपके घर में कोई ऐसा है जो कि वेटनरी से बिलोंग्स करते हैं?
मेरे पापा वेटरनरी डॉक्टर।
अच्छा, आपके पापा भी वेटनरी डॉक्टर्स हैं। ओके, तो आपके पापा ने तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस इसके रिगार्डिंग में पूछा, जवाब दिया, तो सभी चीज़ से आप सेटिस्फाइड हो जो भी चीज़ें? ओके, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। आज हम लोग पहली बार मिल रहे हैं, मैं आपसे भी पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ और कौस्तुभ से भी पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ। आपको ऐसा कोई स्ट्रेंज फील हुआ कि फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर मीटिंग, वी डोंट नो ईच अदर, किसी तरह का कोई स्ट्रेंज फीलिंग?
एवरीवन इज फ्रेंडली और
ओके, थैंक यू। आप अगर मान लीजिए कोई महाराष्ट्र से या कोई इंडिया से कोई ज्वाइन करना चाहता है तो आप क्या रिकमेंड करेंगे ITCS को इसके लिए?
ये सर ऑफ कोर्स आई विल।
कुछ दो शब्द आप कहना चाहेंगे सर्विसेज को लेकर के जो आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा ITCS की तरफ से?
बेस्ट सर्विसेज है।
ओके, कौस्तुभ, आप अगर अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने जूनियर्स को, किसी को रिकमेंड करना चाहेंगे तो क्या कुछ इसके बारे में?
हाँ सर, ज़रूर करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर इतने अच्छे कंसल्टेंसी मिल रही है, अभी बाकी के नाम लेने में कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, पर कंपैरेटिवली एवरीथिंग इज़ लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंट.
Okay,
Transparency is
most important. Yes. So everything on as per the timeline what we have decided, everything is happening on the timeline. Okay, thank you, and many best of wishes for you guys. So this consists of your all the original documents. Okay, so keep it safely, don't keep into the check-in bag, it should be in your hand baggage and all. Okay, the same thing for you also, keep everything safely. Okay, and everything you have to be in your hand baggage, because for the immigration parts and all you need to show this all the best, and best of luck for the future. All the best. Yeah, thank you. As we have discussed with Kaustubh as well as Mr. Ashish, so we are just saying all the best for these two guys, and we will be always in the complete career path of them. Whatever the necessary things requires in terms of administrative or in terms of non-administrative support, we are always with them. Best of luck for the guys, and thanks for watching International Training and Consulting Services YouTube channel, and we'll back with more videos and all. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.